Recipe of detox drinks and benefits of each ingredient. Ingredient number 1. Warm water. Warm water supports weight reduction, further develops blood course, diminishes anxiety, and assists the cerebrum with working appropriately. Ingredient number 2. Ginger. Ginger has antioxidant and anti-inflammation properties, which help in weight loss. It eases arthritis symptoms and period pains. It also lowers body sugar. Ingredient number 3. Lemon. Lemon aids in weight loss, boosts up immunity, lowers stroke rate, prevents asthma, and maintains health complexions. Ingredient number 4. Mint. Mint increases metabolism, which helps weight loss. There are different oils in mint, which boost up the activity of enzymes in the stomach, aiding weight loss. Complete recipe. Take water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Pour it into a jug and let it cool down for a while. Now add lemon slices, ginger slices, and mint to it. Your detox drink is ready.